Hey, what's up, Improvement Warrior? Jason Yun, back with you again. We are mobilizing the shoulder pec area. So I got a softball here. Basically, it's smashing right where the pec meets the shoulder. So it's a little bit on the pec and a little bit on the anterior deltoid muscle. And I'm just rolling. So the left side was my more painful. I've got a little impingement going on at the trap and then right in there. So with this mobilization, you're just basically, it's called the Blue Angel of Death. Obviously I have a purple or orange softball, so you can call it the Orange Angel of Death, but you're basically just rolling, trying to find the areas more tight, put as much weight into it, breathing as deeply as you can. And then this one, when you take your arm, and you go back, up, under, up your back as high as you can. It intensifies it. Like no other. So you gotta clear those shoulders, pecs get tight, you get too many trigger points, okay? You will have injuries. You don't want injuries, okay? It's long term, okay? Taking care of your body, training, strength training, the 3x52 rule, 3 strength workouts, 52 weeks a year for the rest of your life. Is gonna take consistency with training and consistency with taking care of your body. So anytime you feel something that is not right, you take care of it. With mobilizations, it's always 4 areas. Work on pain first, then work on tightness, then work on soreness. If any of those 3 are not present, then you just do general mobilizations. So like the couch stretch or resisted band stretching, or you can do a butt smash with a lacrosse ball, or just general foam rolling. So I'm in the playroom and the boy is playing. Don't worry, Fido. Okay. And it should be a little painful. So I've got a mobilization sweat, which is different than like regular sweats. So it's just like beads of sweat because your body's trying to protect you from going into too much pain. But it should be painful and you should be breathing as deeply as you can. Otherwise, if you have questions on mobilizations or anything, let me know. That's why I'm here. Here to help. Stay strong, stay positive. Be the improvement warrior. Say bye-bye. And we're also getting our sunshine. So little mesh screens let all the sunshine through, but they also protect you from non-native EMF, so 5G. It's good stuff. Otherwise, stay strong, stay positive. Be the improvement warrior.